Alright, here we go. We're just about ready to get started. Got all my safety protection on and I'm going to start going. Just gotta get it done. My plans for today is just staying in this. We'll figure things out tomorrow. So all this so far, I think I started about 10 o'clock and it is 12:30 now, so that's about 2.5 hours just to get that little bit done and that little piece cleared. So I still got a long ways to go. So I think this is the 7th day I've been down here to work on the boat now. Just getting started. It's in the morning. I got here last night. I've got to change into some boat clothes, and then I'm going to try to finish the sanding, or at least get some more of most of it done. So time for that. Fun. So I'm just leaving Home Depot. My sander I was using blew up on me, so I had to come and get another one. So that is like an hour wasted because it is hour round trip to come to this Home Depot from where the marina is. But won't get anything done if I don't have a sander to get the bottom finished. Alright guys, I'll see you back at the boat. So it looks like we're doing an unboxing of the Ridgid orbital 5-inch sander here for you guys. So let's check out, see what's in the box. There it is, flips out, opens up. This nice pretty bag right now. We unzip it and it opens up. We got some paperwork. We got a couple sanding pads, 2 exactly. Out of the box, we have an orbital sander. Comes with a little dust collector for your sawdust or whatever you got. We're going to take that off because we're going to hook it into a vacuum. That comes off, and then it just plugs right in and it works. Dust collector off. And hey, we're back in business. That is the unboxing of the Ridgid digital sander. Okay, so I've been working underneath here in the middle of the boat. I think I'm going to move way down here to the end of the boat. I'm going to start up on here on this part. Just something different. Change it up for me for a little bit so I don't feel like I'm just not going anywhere. So then maybe if I get the end done, then it'll seem less daunting to have, you know. So I'm just gonna change it up and start over there for a little bit.